Introducing Obaproof WP-100HD, a water-based PU bituminous waterproofing membrane. It is a liquid coating that cures into a seamless, elastic, and long-lasting waterproofing layer. Obaproof WP-100HD is suitable for many areas, such as RC flat roofs, planter box, driveway, lift pit, balcony, bathroom, RC gutter, retaining wall, and car porch roof. Step 1. Surface preparation. Ensure the surface is clean and free from cement, ash, trash, or dust. Form an angle fillet between the wall and floor slab for best results. Step 2. Primer coat. Apply Obaproof CM700WP as primer coat. Dilute 1 portion of Obaproof CM700WP with 3 portions of clean water. Stir the mixture thoroughly and plaster directly to the surface to improve the bonding strength. It fills the pore space and enhances the waterproofing and durability for cement and mortar. The recommended usage for Obaproof CM700WP is 0.2 kilograms per square meter. Step 3. Application of waterproofing compound. After the primer has dried, apply Obaproof WP-100HD as the second layer. Let it cure for about 6 to 8 hours before applying the next coat. The recommended usage for Obaproof WP-100HD is 0.75 kilograms per square meter per coat. Step 4. Final layer. Apply another layer of Obaproof WP-100HD as the third coat and spread it evenly. Allow it to cure for 8 hours until fully dry, ensuring complete coverage and consistent thickness. After completion, cover with a protective screed as soon as possible to minimize its exposure and ensures the best performance of the waterproofing layer.